Good morning. This is Mike with Iron Studio. Just wanting to come to you with another one of those quick little projects. And here it is. It's a homemade roller stand. I got tired of using a Harbor Freight one. Those work. Those are good, but they fall over. The base isn't terribly heavy, so it just flops right over. It works, but we can do better. And so I decided to make a roller stand that with nothing but an angle. Well, I kind of cheated. I used the torch. But the idea is you could use nothing but an angle grinder and a MIG welder to put this together for those project videos for you guys. So here it is. What it uses is just these 4 plates. They're 1/4 inch thick, so the base is nice and sturdy. And then this bottom section just acts as a hinge. So you got your set pin or your set screw for when it's closed. And then what you can do is just butt it up. Let me see, there you go. And then you can just open it up like so, screw the set pin in, set screw in, and then voila, there's your base. And it's got a little bit of play in it, but it's not falling over and it's not moving on you, because that's heavy, that's stout. So you don't have to worry about taking a piece of metal. You know, if you're working with something like, I don't know, 8 by 1/4 inch, it's essentially just a big noodle, a big awkward steel noodle. And you're trying to get it up on the saw, and you get one end up and then the other end up, or the one end up and then you're trying to fight on the other. You get the other, never mind. All right, you get one end, that's on the stand with the Harbor Freight ones, and then you get the other one up and it falls over, and then you have the other side up, so you go to the other side, that side falls over. It's just an endless back and forth. This is supposed to solve it. Another thing that this is supposed to help is it's got these sides to keep the piece from coming off. Oh man, from coming off. And this is a 12-inch roller. It's just 1.25" plumbing pipe with some bearings. And another thing is, all these parts you can find at Ace Hardware. So they're nothing special, nothing too fancy. I would advise you having this actually be 12 inches. I thought I could get it with the torch, but for whatever reason, I had a little troubles getting this hot where I wanted it to, and getting it to bend where I wanted. So I had to put a little shim in there, but that's fine for now. Yeah, so there's that. And then I guess there's the holes too. I did not tell you guys about. So you need a drill, an angle grinder, and a MIG welder. But to go over the holes, if you're drilling anything, and I mean anything over a 1/2 inch, I would suggest using one of these. Focus. This is a carbide tipped hole saw. These are immaculate. They cut incredible. They are pricey, but they are worth the money. They're made by, you can't see it because it's a little fuzzy, but it's Champion. Good tool, really good tool. Highly recommend it for cutting holes bigger than 1/2 inch. So I did use that in this 1/4 inch bar. So there's that piece, and this also extends in the nut set screw. It cut out on me. That set screw you can set and raise it up and down. But super nice. Woo! Dropped it. Okay, Now we're back on the floor. Here it is on the ground. I got the set screw tightened, and that set screw tightened. It's not falling over. It's not moving on you anywhere. It's going to be, you know, it takes quite a bit of force to get it to move. So you won't have to worry about it moving when you're trying to put something on top of it. So super nice piece. And I guess if you wanted to as well, you could change out the top. This section here, you could change that out and put different attachments in. If you wanted, you know, you could do more of a pipe stand kind of deal. Put a V in there. I mean, really, it's a base for anything. So I guess you could put, you know, do mobile. Shoot, I don't know, something else. But yeah, so here's the stand, and I will again put the prints on my website if you guys are interested in making this. Gonna try and put a little bit more detail in than I had for the water hydrant protector. I'll still go back and fix some of the things that I didn't put in there. But this one I hope to have just, you know, a lot of details for you guys so that you can make this easy. And eventually I'd like to figure out how to make a video of me actually making this and then showing it to you. But we'll get there because it's only me right now. So anyway, thank you for your time.